How to earn money online as an educator. 1. Identify your teaching objective and know your skill set. Training corporate clients, teaching language fluency, teaching a particular advanced subject, etc. requires specialized individual subject knowledge. Assess your competency in the subject before applying for online teaching jobs. 2. Evaluate your knowledge of Internet and communicating in an online environment. Teaching online is more challenging than delivering in-person lectures. Technological devices are not foolproof. Practice online teaching sessions with mentors who can provide honest feedback and hone your skills. 3. Get yourself certified. Enroll in an online teaching certification program. Although all tutoring agencies do not specify for teacher certifications, it is better to hold one to prove your competency in a subject. Many universities offer online teacher certification programs, specifically designed to guide teachers through latest technological tools and online teaching practices. 4. Before applying for online tutoring jobs, get some online experience in the field. You can sign up with educational resource websites like Skill Guru and create practice tests, or sign up with homework and get some positive feedback to improve your profile. Volunteering in local schools as a teaching assistant is a good way to gain experience with student interaction. Not all online teaching opportunities require prior teaching experience, but many prefer it. Increase the chances of your application to be considered. 5. Efficiently highlight your skills in teaching and technology usage. Employers of online instructors look for both skills with equal importance. You must demonstrate the ability to teach while using technology effectively. List prior teaching experience along with your knowledge of technological applications and instructional tools. If need be, create a video that demonstrates your ability to communicate step-by-step instructions on a particular topic. This gives potential employers a fair idea of your teaching style and demonstrates your comfort with technology.